In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to farm Steam desktop cards. If you want the easiest way to farm trading cards from your Steam games, Idolmaster Extended is a simple and lightweight tool that can handle the process automatically. The setup is fairly quick, and once it's running, it does most of the work for you. To begin, download the latest version of Idolmaster Extended from the GitHub releases page. Make sure you're getting the most recent release so you have the latest fixes and compatibility updates. Once the download is finished, save it somewhere easy to find on your computer. Next, unzip the downloaded folder. If the file comes in a compressed format, extract everything into a new folder. Keeping it in its own dedicated folder helps you stay organized and makes it easier to launch the app again later if you need to. After that, open the program and log into your Steam account. During this process, the app requires your browser session information, specifically the session and login cookies from your Steam web session. Be careful when handling this kind of login data and make sure you only enter it into software you trust and have verified. This step allows the program to connect to your account properly so it can detect eligible games and begin idling them. Once you're logged in, start farming. The program will automatically idle supported games from your library in order to trigger card drops on your account. In most cases, you can simply let it run in the background while it works through your available games. Depending on how many games you own with remaining card drops, this can take some time, so patience helps. That's all there is to it. With the files downloaded, the folder extracted, the account connected, and farming started, Idolmaster Extended makes the process straightforward and mostly hands-off.